stop scrolling. You've seen Magic Eye illusions, right? The trippy 90s posters? But what if I told you the newest, most valuable piece of crypto art, a $1 million NFT, was hidden inside a stereogram right here in your city? We cracked the code. You're about to see the secret image, and I'll show you how to find it. Stay to the end, because the location of the actual physical prize is a landmark you pass every day. This is the crypto code. First, a quick lesson. This isn't just a random pattern. It's a magic eye illusion, or stereogram. Your brain has to shift focus to reveal a hidden 3D image. Now, imagine a genius artist, let's call him Pixel Pusha, who's hidden a viral NFT's secret key inside one. The hunt for this magic eye crypto secret has been driving the NFT art community crazy for a week. People are searching how to see Magic Eye 3D, but they're missing the big picture. Now for the Geo-Optimized part. We trace the artist's first hint to a public art installation near the name a major local landmark, e.g. the Empire State Building, the Golden Gate Bridge. The pattern itself, look closely, uses a repeating image of the name a local symbol, e.g. a specific type of palm tree, a famous local bird. That confirmed it. The prize is here in your city. This isn't just about a puzzle. This is about a local legend. But what about the hidden image? Okay, it's time to unlock the crypto code. Follow my voice. Instruction 1. Lean in close to your screen, then slowly lean back. Let your eyes completely relax like you're looking through the screen. Instruction 2. You'll start to see 2 images turn into 3. Don't panic. That's the stereogram tutorial working. Instruction 3. The moment those middle 2 images merge, bam! There it is. The hidden image is a pixelated crypto diamond. This isn't just the image. It's the visual signature of the NFT art itself. Now that you've seen it, you know the Magic Eye secret is real. If you saw the 3D crypto diamond, you are part of the elite few. Like this video to prove your vision is 2020. Subscribe for the next step in this viral NFT hunt. And for my local viewers in your city, the final clue, which reveals the physical location of the prize wallet, is in the first pinned comment below. It has to do with the rename the local landmark, e.g. Golden Gate Bridge. Good luck. Share this with a friend who can never see Magic Eye illusions. Let's see if they can find the 1 meter crypto secret.